Are you tired of darts hitting your finished drywall? I know I was. That's why I built a dartboard backboard. Let's get going. All right, for this project, I'm going to be using some rustic white oak. I love the knotty character. I think it'll work great for the basement, where the dartboard is. I'm going to be chopping these boards to 28 inches. It's kind of a rough length, and we'll get them straightened up and do the final chop at the end. All right, I did my best to get the big knots off, but some of those I think are just part of the character. We get it lined up and then get the edges straightened on the joiner. Get that curve out of there so we can run it through the table saw safely. All right, for these I'm just going to go for maximum width. I'm not going to do them all at the same width. And then we'll have approximately 26 inches at the end. Join out those burn marks on the edge there. Might be time for a new table saw blade. And we'll get them planed down to the finished thickness, going for just under 3/4 of an inch. All right, now we're going to chop to our final length, and we'll use the stop block. I probably should build a professional looking one of these days, but just haven't gotten around to it. All right, I'm going to arrange the pieces how I think I want them on the wall, and then put a bevel on the edge using this chamfer bit. All right, for the front of the board, there'll be a kind of a shelf out front. We're going to put 6 holes in there for a little dart holder. Right now I'm just marking where I want them and drill them out on the drill press. Do a quick sand before I assemble. It makes it, the job a lot quicker and easier. Try to line it up to make the 2 outside edges maybe as defect free as I can. Get everything lined up, and I'll screw it in from the back side of the board. I'm going to use a clamp to hold it nice and tight together. Seeing that it's white oak, I made sure to pre-drill all my holes. Otherwise, it would have been a nightmare. All right, just center in the board on the backboard. And I'll drill it right in from the front using some drywall screws. That should do the trick. Now it's time to go for that bullseye. Thanks for watching.